all want to be happy. Whatever we do, the purpose is only and only to get happiness. We all have different meanings of happiness. Some like to read, some like to travel, and some may get happiness from doing something else. So if we talk about nature, it gives us different kind of happiness. When we look at the flowers, leaves and plants, we feel a different kind of happiness. If we hear the chirping of birds and see the butterflies hovering over, then automatically our mind becomes happy. And if we want this happiness to be with us every moment, then what to do? Make a small garden. So now, when it comes to making a garden, it seems that space is required for it. It needs lots of time. I don't know how to care. So many questions like these come to our mind. For answering these questions, we are here to launch a 4-week Western Open online course under UNESCO Open Education for Better World program. In this program, 4 modules will be there. First module will cover the basic requirements for gardening like soil, water, what kind of space is required, what types of pots. And in second module, we will cover different types of plants, different types of gardens. In next module, we'll learn how to care the plants and some DIYs. In last module, there will be various benefits of plants like physical benefits, psychological benefits, spiritual benefits and economic benefits. So, join this course and enjoy gardening. Thank you.